Hey there, it's Monica Michelle, the Solutionist Marketer, back with another marketing tip to help you skyrocket your business. Today, we're diving into the world of emails because, let's face it, emailing your audience is absolutely crucial. But here's one thing. It's not just about sales emails. We need to balance it out and include nurture emails as well. Let's find out why. As the founder of Monica Michelle Marketing, I've had the opportunity to work with numerous business owners, organizations, government entities, authors, nonprofits, and one common mistake I see is solely relying on sales-driven emails. While making sales is important and getting donations, all that is important, nurturing your audience is equally essential. So nurture emails are the ones that you aren't really selling anything directly. Instead, they're focusing on building relationships, providing valuable content, and establishing trust. So these emails are icebreakers, relationship builders, and a way to show genuine care for your audience. There's a saying that people don't care until they know that you care, right? So you have to show them that you care about them, their well-being, their growth in whatever your industry is. Now, here's 3 main reasons on why these nurturing emails are going to be gold for you. 1, they're going to build trust. Nurture emails create trust by delivering valuable content without any sales pitch at all. You're going to share tips, advice, industry insights, or even give behind the scenes look into your business. Be a trusted resource and watch your audience grow. Number 2, relationship building. Now, when you are consistently sending valuable nurture emails, you foster a deeper connection with your audience. It's a chance to show your genuine interest in their success and well-being. Establishing a strong relationship leads to long-term customer loyalty. Number 3, providing value. Nurture emails are an opportunity to educate, entertain, and inspire your audience. Share some industry trends, helpful tutorials, successful stories, motivational quotes, or even a personal antidote. One that I really love is when you take someone else's video and you talk about how you agree or disagree with it. Or if you have something you want to add to that person's video. I absolutely love those. By consistently providing value, you position yourself as the authority in your field. And number 4 is a bonus. You want to segment out your audience. Take advantage of nurture emails to segment your audience based on their interests, preferences, and demographics. This also allows you to tailor your emails to specific groups, ensuring that each subscriber receives relevant content to them. There's nothing worse than getting all the reminder emails and you're the kind of person who doesn't like the reminder emails. There's nothing worse getting emails about how the weather is in Georgia and you live in North Carolina, right? You want to get content that is relatable to you, that connects to you, and it makes you feel more connected, as if the person really cares about you and that you're more connected to the person that's emailing you. So let me share with you this quick story. I once had a client who focused only on sales emails. I have this person pretty commonly, believe it or not. You bombard your audience with promotions. Their open rates, their click-through rates, they plummet. Absolutely dropped out the bottom because their subscribers felt like they're always constantly being sold to. By implementing some nurture emails, they saw a significant increase in engagement and a stronger connection to their audience. I mean, think about it. If your friend only called you when they wanted something, would you continue to answer their call? If your friend only texted you when they wanted something, would you continue to even call them a friend? You want your friend to reach out to you and just say, hey, I was thinking about you. Hey, I wanted to check in on you. Hey, I know you said you were interested in this and I saw something that relates to it. This might be perfect for you. You want to feel connected. If you're ready to set up your email game and just step it up and incorporate some nurture emails into your strategy, let's schedule some time to walk through it together. Head over to solutionistm.com to book a consultation, and let's create a nurturing email strategy that will connect with your audience on a deeper level. Remember, balance is key when it comes to email marketing. You want to find a sweet spot between sales and nurture emails to build trust, foster relationships, and provide value. Your audience will appreciate it and your business will thrive. So until next time, let's keep nurturing, let's keep growing. Share in the comments what your email list is and how frequently you do your nurturing. I would love to know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well, and this gives the video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.